everyone. Our project title is Travel Recommendation by Mining People Attributes. Our team members are Mr. Tanigivel, Mr. Arivaragan and Mr. Vivek. The project is guided by Mr. D. Anandan, Assistant Professor, Veltech Multitech. First we have to click on Google Chrome and type the URL link as localhost.9999, which will open the Apache Software Foundation page. We have to click Tomcat Manager and give password and ID. From there we have to click on /trav, which will open our social networking page. We have to initially we have to click on the registration part, and we have to give our details like name, mobile number, email ID, zip, and other personal details in order to register it. After giving all the details, you have to give submit, and the details will be stored in the database. Now we can click on the login page and give our username and password and open our account. In this, our social page is mainly based on uploading pictures. If there is no picture, it will not show anything in view gallery. In order to upload pictures, we have to click on choose files and select the desired pictures and click on open. And upload it. We can select as many photos as we wish and upload it. Now when we click on the view gallery, it will show all the uploaded photos inside it. We have to click on the home page, and this is our social networking site, and we can create any number of login users and upload any number of photos as our wish. This was our first module. Our second module is a travel recommendation page. For this we have to again go to Tomcat Manager and click on /travel. This will open our travel recommendation page, which will contain home, admin, user, products, prices, etc. We have to click on admin and go to login. In login, either we have to register ourselves, or we can directly give us login ID and password. In next page we will get tips for our trips. There the first thing is file compress, which will compress all the photos we have uploaded in the social networking site. Then by clicking download, all the zipped files will get downloaded. We have to click on extract in order to extract all the zipped files. Then the geo function, in geo functions we have to click, and in geo function it will show all the geotagged photos and their location details. It will give the details about all the geotagged and non-geotagged pictures. Now we have to click on the file and add images. and by clicking the images, they will be clicking on my file and selecting the pictures, it will be added in the list. And we have to click on each picture, and it will detect its location and city by inside it. Next we have to click on database. Here it will store all the geotagged pictures inside the database. By just clicking on the name, it will show the city and the time and country. By clicking on the name, it will show the city and time of all the countries. It is the process of database storage. Next we have to click on the locate files. It will show all the location places. Then after that we have to click on the process images. The process images is the main step of our project. Here it will detect the number of persons and gender of the people present over the photo. We have to open the pictures in order to find the location. We have to select the pictures from my file. It will take some time to open the process, some 5 to 10 minutes. Now when the picture is opened, it will be automatically detect some faces, but there may be some error in it. In order to avoid this, we can also detect the faces manually by selecting as shown in the picture. After selecting one photo, if we want to continue, we have to give C and press OK, and if we want to stop the further selection, we have to click S and click on OK. Now S is given and the selection process is closed. Now the image processing is going on. Now it detected the number of persons present over the pictures and the gender, that is 3 males are present in the picture which has been shown. Now the entire process is completed and all the information are stored in the database. Now the information have been stored in the database. We have to click on store info in order to store entire data within the database. By clicking on user profiles, we can view all the users and their profiles. Since there are no users registered till now, it is empty. This was our second module, travel recommendation page. Now we have to go to Google Chrome and type URL as localhost 9999 and click on Tomcat Manager. And now this is the user part of our travel recommendation page. We have to click on /travel and a home page will appear for travel recommendation site. We have to click on user and then click on register, and then we have to give our personal details like name, mobile number, email ID, zip, user ID, password, gender and town and country in order to register for the travel recommendation page. the registration process is over. Now we can log in by giving our user ID and password for the travel recommendation page. After logging in, we have to give our personal details like what is our hobby, what is our preferred country for traveling, and what is the season we want to travel, and few other general details. It will also ask how many times we have already visited that place. Then we have to click on how many number of peoples we want to travel together. After giving all the details, just click on submit, and now all the details will get submitted. It will show whether we want to give any comments. Then we have to go back to home page and click on recommendations, and from there it will show all the previously visited locations for that number of persons and that particular place. If we click on any particular location, it will show the map route for that location. We can go back and click on the recommendation again. If there is no recommendation for that particular place, then it will show nil recommendations. In the same way, for the number of people traveling, if we will click on couple, or if we will click on family, it will show different locations for different group of peoples. Then if you want to add any comments for the travel recommendation page, we can click on add comments and type our comment and click on submit. Here we have given a comment and we have submitted it. The comment will be stored in the database, and for the other users the comment will be visible, which will be helpful for them. Now we come back to our travel recommendation home page. This was our home page, and this is our Android application. We have added additional to our project. In Android application, we have to install an app called Traveling. By opening this, we have to give our IP address of this server, which will connect the Android to the server. Then we have to give the user ID and password, which we have already registered in the travel recommendation site. If we have not registered, we can click on the register option and register again. This is an additional feature of our project. After submitting, we can give our own user ID and password, which we have given for the registration in order to open our account. Our user ID is Pradeep and we have given some password for it. Then by clicking on login, it will go inside our account. Now it will show the find nearest places option. When we will click on the find option, it will show all the nearby famous locations which we can go for our travel recommendations. Now all the nearest location will be shown. These are the nearest famous locations around our area. Now after visiting our travel recommended place, we can go to these places and enjoy our time. This is our project. Thank you very much for watching this project. Have a nice time.